Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to fix when you are unable to install this update, that is KB5065426. Because of these error codes, then please follow the steps shown in this video. Now the first step is to start these services. So type in services in Windows search box and then go to services. Find App Readiness, make a double click, set this to automatic. Click on apply, click on start if highlighted, and then click on OK. With this selected, make a right click, then click on restart. Now find Windows Update Services, scroll down, here you can see Windows Update. Make a double click on Windows Update, set this to automatic, click on apply, click on start if highlighted, and then click on OK. With this selected, make a right click and then click on restart. Still not working, find Background Intelligent Transfer Service, make a double click, again set this to automatic. Click on apply, click on start if highlighted, and then click on OK. With this selected, make a right click, click on restart. Now you can try to update your Windows 11 and then check. Still not working. The next step is to pause and restart the update. So you can go to Windows Update over here, and then over here you can see pause. Now click on pause, and once paused, now click on resume updates, and then you can check. Still not working. The next step is to run sfc and dism command. Now for this, copy this command. This command is provided in the video description. Type in cmd in Windows search box, make a right click on command prompt app, and then make sure that you run command prompt as an administrator. Click on yes to allow. Paste the command over here, hit the enter key, and let the scan complete. In my case, the scan is already done. It's telling me to restart my computer. So once the scan is 100% complete, run the second command. Copy the second command, paste it over here, hit the enter key. And once the second scan is 100% complete, then restart your computer. And after the system restart, you can check. Still not working. Next step is to use Microsoft Update Catalog. Now for this, open this link in a browser. It will take you to Microsoft website. On this website, write down the name of the update, that is KB5065426, and then click on search. Now you have to first type in WINVER in Windows search box, and then click on WINVER run command and check which version of Windows you have. So here you can see Windows version 24H2, and you have to check what kind of system you have. You can go to system, and then you can click on about over here. So in my case, it's 64-bit. So for me, it's Windows 11 version 24H2 x64 base system. So if you have Windows 11 25H2 25x64, then this is the right one for you. For me, it's Windows 11 version 24H2 x64 base system. Click on download, and then over here you will see KB5065426. Click on it and run this file. Once the download is complete, you can click on this file, follow the on-screen instruction, and then install this update manually, and then restart your computer and then check. Still not working. The next step is to fix problems using Windows Update. You can use this option. So for this, you can go to Windows Update, Advanced option, scroll down, Recovery option, and then click on here. You can see fix problems using Windows Update. This will reinstall your current version of Windows. Your files, your apps, files, and settings will be preserved. So click on reinstall now. This process will take some time, and once done, now you can check. Still not working. You can use media creation tool. Now for this, copy this link. The link is provided in the video description. Open this link in a browser. It will take you to Microsoft website. On this website here, you can see media creation tool. Click on download now, and then you can run the exe file. Now once you run this exe file, you will see the screen. Now click on accept over here, and then by default Windows 11 will be selected. Click on next, and then select ISO file over here, and then click on next. You can save it to desktop. Click on save, and then let the download complete. This process will take some time, and once the download is complete, now you can click on finish and let this close automatically, and then go to desktop, make a double click on Windows ISO file, make a double click and run the setup file. Click on yes to allow, click on next over here, and then click on accept over here, and here you can see ready to install. By default, the option to keep personal files and app would be checked. When this is checked, you will not lose any data on the computer. So click on install. After the installation, you can check. So one of the steps shown in this video should help you to install this update successfully on your Windows 11 computer. So that'll be all. Thank you so much for your time, and please like this video and subscribe to my channel.